Sammy painting.
Collecting.
What are you,
Collecting. Collecting.
what are you painting?
Collecting.
Sammy,
This is collecting on here.
what's the red thing that you painted? What's the red picture?
A snake.
A snake?
You tiny little bits. Tiny little bits on here. Tiny little bits. Tiny little bits on the wall. Tiny little bits on the floor. Like that.
Wow, you're really good. Who are you painting this picture for?
And then Papa.
That's very nice. An artist at work.
Little tiny bits on here. Little tiny bits on here. Little tiny bits on here.
That is beautiful.
Little tiny bits on here. Little tiny
That is absolutely beautiful,
bits.
Sammy.
Little tiny bits. Little tiny bits.
Where did you learn to paint so well?
Little tiny bits. Little tiny bits. All down, 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 down.
Good job.
I'm done. Blue.
Blue.
Now blue. Little tiny bits on here.
Wow. That's
All
beautiful.
done.
That's all done?
All done.
Are you happy with your creation?
Another
Do you think it's beautiful?